One very important aspect of working in the trades is proper clothing when you're on a job site. You'll usually need to supply your own suitable clothing and footwear before being permitted on the job site. Let's look at some of the safety considerations you should be aware of relating to your clothing, hair, and jewelry that are common on all job sites. You need to wear clothing that's going to protect you from hazards such as chips and sparks. Shorts, t-shirts, sandals, don't cut it on most job sites, even with the heavy socks like I have. You should be wearing close-fitting clothing that's not ragged or frayed. If you're working near moving machinery, loose shirt cuffs or hoodie strings can get caught and injure you. If you're going to be working near sparks or open flames, don't wear oily, greasy clothes or clothes made from synthetic materials. I've seen some materials melt right onto an apprentice's arm when welding sparks contacted the shirt he was wearing. Okay, that's better. Now don't tuck your pant legs into your boots or roll them up. If you're working near sparks or grinders with a welder, hot pieces of metal could fall inside. Most job sites require high visibility clothing that contrasts with the environment so you can be seen at a distance. Make sure your high visibility clothing is not covered by other garments though. For example, these bib coveralls are partially covering my high vis shirt. So I'd probably throw on another vest if I was going to be working in a high traffic area. Jewelry. Don't wear rings, watch bands or bracelets, neck chains, anything like that. These items could cause a bad burn if a metal object touches a hot battery terminal or some other ground object, or you could lose a finger if a ring gets caught in a piece of machinery. If you have long hair, make sure to tie it up. Also, beards should be trimmed. Both hair and beards can get caught in machinery or catch fire from sparks or an open flame. On some job sites where there are hazardous gases, beards may not be allowed. They could interfere with the safe use of an escape respirator by preventing it from fitting properly. So, dress appropriately for the work site as it could save you from an easily avoidable injury.